Is the bull market over? Welcome to our crypto mindset, Jomo. What do you think?
Wow, man. I don't think the bull market is over, but I do think we're in for a ride that might take us down before we go up. Okay. I think there's a lot of turmoil. I think that we were overly hyped around the Trump inauguration. People really thought that it's going to blast prices up. And you know what was my first warning sign? My first warning sign was when we went through $100,000 and went back down below it. The first time, big round psychological number. Everyone was waiting, anticipating it. People thought that we're going to the moon. Everything was sounded bullish. Trump was bullish. He created a special crypto and AI czar, personnel in his government. Elon Musk is under the DOGE, government sector. Everything seemed amazing, but yet we had issues staying above the $100,000. And actually, since then, we went above and below with big volatility. And that for me is a big sign that, there are more sellers than there should have been. And that probably leads me to think that actually what Trump is doing is creating some kind of a mini financial crisis to take everything down before taking everything back up with the help of the Fed, some rate cuts, and so on. Because right now there's a lot of fighting between Fed, Trump, government, treasuries, and so on. And I think that will create some sort of issues in liquidity. And as you know, liquidity is, the air of the market. And without enough liquidity, we can't really pop and explode. And I think that's going to be the short term. But later on, I do believe we can go up. Okay. What do you think, Siam?
So you say for short term for you, we're talking about weeks, months. What is short term for you?
Yeah, I'm talking about anything between a few weeks until the end of the quarter. Maybe we can get we can go down below the 90K. Okay. Now I don't think, again, I'm talking probabilities. People that watch us know that we're traders. We're not to be analysts over here trying to predict the market and anything. Probability wise, what I'm seeing is that until there's going to be some sort of a financial crisis, maybe a company goes bust, maybe a hedge fund goes bust, something that will indicate to the Fed that they need to reduce rate cuts and play ball with Trump. Because right now they're not playing ball with Trump. Okay, they will find out they must play ball with Trump unless the economy is going to go down the drain hole, and they won't let that happen. And then they're going to start playing ball, rate cuts. A lot of liquidity is going to come back to the market. Hope is going to come back. Confidence is going to come back. And that will lead towards an end of year type rally. Again, I don't think we're going to go to those crazy numbers. 250, 1 million, 750. No, that's hopium for now. Hopium for now. And much less, I think. But probably that will create an environment where you can trade Bitcoin, make a good amount of money trading Bitcoin. We are in the last innings of the bull market. Okay, we're not at the beginning of a bull market. The bull market started in the early 2023. Bull markets last for anywhere between 1 to 2.5 years, roughly. They don't last forever. Okay, so we're in the last innings of the bull market. People need to understand that. So anything that you do now, you must understand that in the next move up, you should take profits, right? You should take profits. And at the moment, this is the clue, CM. This will be the clue. At the moment that everything will seem entirely bullish, and we're going to get one of the most bullish piece of news. The United States is going to create a Bitcoin reserve, but prices will actually go down instead of up. That will be, a news failure for me, and then I will know that probably the top is in, and that will be when I'll sell most of the things. Again, be short, and probably that will be some time by the end of this year. That's roughly estimations. Okay, what do you think, Sia?
Oh man, I think we're gonna see a major collapse this quarter. That's what this quarter or beginning of next quarter. But I think this quarter,
Yeah.
March to me looks spooky. We might get another little rally into February. Like maybe Bitcoin go to 120, 115.
Like
Fake
right now,
money.
you think we're actually going up now, not down. Right now,
there
specifically.
is there is a potential. There is a potential. It's like it's very hard to determine where we're going on the short term. Maybe another fake rally. Maybe another fake out. Maybe again. I'm with you. I think there is a higher probability we're going down, but there is a chance it's going to go make a little move up here because the dollar is now short term getting a weaken a little bit in the last 2 days. So we might get a little rally in February, fake one, and then they're gonna pull the rug around end of February or beginning of March. They're gonna pull the rug on the whole system, on the whole market, S&P, Nasdaq, everything, Bitcoin, major collapse, and then in April or May, some printing, maybe some printing, a leg, another leg up, or not to new highs, just a leg up. Trade altcoins, make a lot of money, sell it all, and go run to the hills.
I get what you're saying. So run to the hills. Look, I get what you're saying. There's a good chance that happens. I just think that the next time we go above 110, because that was the last kind of fake out high, that's when things are going to start heating up. I don't think we're going to go above 110 and then back down. I don't think we're going to have another fake out. I don't think, again, anything can happen. The market is our boss. We play ball with the market. We don't fight the market whatsoever. So whatever the market wants to do, I'm going to play ball with it. Okay. But I do think that the 110 is going to be when we cross it, whenever. We don't know when, right? With no crystal balls here. But whenever it cross, I think that's going to be that big run where everyone was, like, it should be coupled with people capitulating, everything looking bad. People like, yeah, it's over, blah, 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 blah. And then after people started selling, okay, then we will get bullish news, a catalyst, mini financial crisis, and then catalyst of liquidity. It will bounce. People will feel FOMO. They will start buying massively, and that will lead to euphoric move, right? I think above 110 is when we get euphoric move. I don't think we're going to cross it and fake it down. But again, might happen. Me and CM were differing right now. Again, it's just possibilities and probabilities, okay? We don't know what's going to happen. CM thinks probably not below 90K just now. He thinks first above 110 and then maybe below 90, right? That's what he's saying, maybe?
Yeah, man.
And I'm saying maybe, yeah.
They got it all. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Cheers.
Cheers.